Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time here at Village Oaks Elementary School in Novi, Michigan. Spoke to the kindergarten through fourth graders today. Built upon the last theme, the topic when I came last school year, which was on bullying, looking at someone's heart first. And they have their HEART acronym here at the school. Last year we focused on the E, talking about empathizing with someone else and showing kindness. Today we built on that, took it up a level with the focus on the R, respect everyone, and that tied into the overall focus of diversity, all of our differences, respect what's on the outside of someone, how they're born, their skin color, how they look, if they have a disability, if they don't, just where they're from, their culture, their different senses, anything that might separate us, that we can still have that be something that hopefully unifies us, right? And then also knowing that we also respect and honor what's on the inside, our differences in terms of what we're good at, what we're not good at, our skills, our abilities, our talents. We have to honor all of that, appreciate all of that. And then the sub-theme being needing human kindness, right? Like the shirt has here, the peace sign inside the heart, which means that that's where peace has to start. And it's so important to show this kindness because it's not just me being kind to that one person and affecting their heart, it's anybody else that witnesses that act of kindness, anybody that hears those positive words, and why it's so important. Not only every acronym, every letter part of this heart motto here at VO, Village Oaks, but the respect everyone, it's just vital because this world needs us to include more people. So many students came up to me, the students that are true leaders. This is a Leader in Me school, and they told me that they have different, they've had different interactions with other students who were born different, whether it could be someone who was autistic, special needs student, someone that has a hearing disability, and they made it a point to stand up for that person. When others looked at them a little bit differently and kind of judged them, they made it their goal to do the opposite and make sure that that person knew that they were loved, celebrated, that they know that they're true miracles, like the M in all of our poems. I reminded everyone of that today too. The lines on our hands, we have the M, that stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it, and that kindness that once we do accept it into our heart, now we want to go and share that. So the other part of the talk and presentation today dealt with tying in a few of their habits. So being a Leader in Me school, the 7 habits, Stephen Covey, of highly successful people, they definitely adopt these, and we're even singing about them this morning, which was beautiful, some great voices. Amazing voices, and it's so awesome that this school continues to reinforce these key concepts. But a few of the ones that we hit on today was the think win-win, and that was the 4th habit, basically talking about how we try to put deposits, donations into people's emotional bank accounts, and showing that kindness and positivity is one way to do that. The other one, right above my head, the 6th habit, synergize, a part of this whole habit tree. But the 6th habit is really focusing on people that, really being able to work together, even with people who are different than us, right? That we still come together as that team. And diversity being differences, we still can respect people and still make things work out. And the last one too, habit 5, was another one that I touched on today. Seek first to understand, then to be understood, which is really all about seeing people, seeing their viewpoints and putting yourself in their shoes. And we gave a couple examples, a couple stories about that. So all in all, great day, great positive message. An honor to be back here again. You guys touch my heart. Never stop believing that you are true miracles. You guys are worth everything. And as always, make sure to hit the notification bell that is going to be on this video to get future updates of videos just like this one, along with clicking the subscribe button so you stay up to date with my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Also check out the amazing videos in this playlist above and my website too to learn more about what we're doing to spread kindness all across this nation. Much love, peace.